Ever wondered what it's like to travel the world, experiencing new cultures, tasting exotic cuisines, and witnessing breathtaking landscapes? Well, welcome to an adventure that will take you to the heart of one of the most captivating stories ever told. Picture this, a quaint little town nestled amidst rolling hills with cobblestone streets that whisper tales of centuries past. This is the heart of Tuscany, Italy, where our journey begins. A place where time seems to stand still, where every corner holds a surprise, and where the aroma of freshly baked bread wafts through the air, beckoning you to explore. Our protagonist, a young woman named Lucia. Lucia, with her fiery spirit and insatiable curiosity, embarks on a journey that changes her life forever. She traverses through the vineyards of Chianti, tastes the world-famous gelato in Florence, and finds herself amidst the hustle and bustle of the Grand Piazza del Campo in Siena. Lucia's journey is a testament to the transformative power of travel. It's about more than just visiting new places. It's about immersing oneself in different cultures, meeting new people, and stepping outside of one's comfort zone. It's about embracing the unknown, and in the process, discovering a part of oneself that was previously hidden. Every step Lucia takes, every person she meets, every dish she tastes, brings her closer to understanding the true essence of her own existence. Her story is a testament to the fact that travel is not just about the destination, but the journey itself. As Lucia's adventure unfolds, it becomes clear that travel is an incredible teacher, a relentless muse, and a beautiful way to understand the world and our place in it. Each day will reveal a new chapter in Lucia's journey, transporting you to a different corner of the world. So if you want to be a part of this exciting journey, subscribe to the channel and remember to share it with your friends. Every share, every like, and every subscription helps us bring more of these fascinating stories to you. Stay tuned for more adventures, more stories, and more unforgettable experiences as you travel with Glen. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly, keep traveling